Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, let me introduce you to our bikini pattern top triangle. I know this is a very simple pattern and you may wonder why we need to introduce you to. Well, we think we need to because this is not so simple as it may look. Because we actually designed this with a dart under the bust to make it fit much better to your body. You may wonder why darts on swimwear. Well, we have a specific video explaining you exactly why we use darts on most of our patterns and also why we use curved center back seams on our bikini bottoms, but mainly let me try and explain you like in 30 seconds max. Your body isn't a table, and if you just cut a triangle pattern, a triangle piece of fabric, even if it's stretchy, and you lay it on the table and it's flat, well, it's good on the table, but it's not good on you because you're not flat, right? So you need shapes. If this wasn't a stretchy fabric, how would it fit you if it doesn't have a dart? Well, that's the main reason. It needs to fit you. It needs to have volume so that it has volume for you. It doesn't flat your chest, your bust against your chest, and it will actually look good on you. So that's why we use darts. I hope it was 30 seconds. Well, we did a video, a tutorial, a sew along, very detailed on how to sew this version, the non-reversible version, but you also have a reversible version on our channel. But the non-reversible version that we did here with the ring here on the top as a finish is available for you to watch. We explain you exactly how to do the top stitch here, how to sew the dart in detail, how to sew the straps and apply the elastic on the straps, and how to sew the ring using your zipper foot to go very close to the ring. So a video with a lot of details. We hope you like it, and we hope you can share your own triangle tops with darts with us. And that's it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye!